Hi, this is Kathy Goodwin, and today we're going to talk about website mistake number 2, customizing like a suit. In many areas of service, we tend to believe that customization is better. For example, a tailor-made suit that's made to fit exactly you with your measurements will fit better and feel a lot more comfortable than something you get off the rack. But on the internet, customization doesn't work the same way. Let's start with your platform. If you choose WordPress, it's very easy to install, it's easy to adapt, and it's easy to maintain and upgrade. In fact, you just click update and you get the latest bells and whistles on WordPress. If you are a typical small business, there's no reason to have someone build a whole website for you from scratch. If you get custom HTML, if you need to fix something, you'll have to track down the original programmer because they usually can't read each other's code, and you have to make updates on your own. This won't be done for you by the system. You have to know that you need an update and hire someone to make it for you. On the theme, if you get WordPress, you're going to have to choose the theme. Now, sometimes the designer will say, I'll customize and make one specifically for you, and it sounds great, except that there are some challenges with themes that are either made for you or that you find on the internet that are rarely used, that maybe just a small number of people are using them. The idea is to get widely used themes that lots of people are using, like Thesis. You have to be careful about versions there. StudioPress Genesis is currently probably the most popular. There's a very flexible one I use called Pros. Elegant Themes is popular, beautiful designs there, Woo, iThemes, and Headway. Those are common. What that means is it's easier to find help. You can just search on the internet if you want to say things like how to create a footer in Woo. Chances are someone will tell you exactly how to do it. You can also get help from freelancers. You're not dependent on one company or one person if you need to make a change. What about extras? Like, let's say you want to have an email system, or you want to have a scheduling system so people can sign up for appointments, or you want to take payments on the internet. Well, sometimes you'll get a designer or developer who says, we'll build all this in for you. The problem is, if you do that, you have to think about security. You have to plan that, and you have to pay for it. You have to think about updates because things change. For example, on one shopping cart, which I used to have, there was no provision to take PayPal because when they first started, PayPal was something that very few people used. It was questionable. And now lots of people use PayPal. So they went ahead and fixed it, and there was no extra charge to anyone. But if you pay for your own card or your own payment system, and let's say a new payment system comes that catches on, a lot of people want to use it, you're the one who has to pay for the update, and you have to check the security and make sure it works. If you have a off-the-shelf system, it's not that hard to make changes to it, and it's all done for you, so you don't have to worry about hiring somebody and finding someone who understands the code of the original that you ordered. Most important, control your website. Sign up for everything yourself with your credit card and keep logins and passwords in a safe place. Your domain name registrar, your web host, and your WordPress login should all be someplace where you can find them. I've spent hours searching, trying to track down somebody's password when they had a developer do it for them. If you need help, KathyGoodwinMarketing.com is my website. You can click here. I have consultations in different categories, and I have the jump call as a diagnostic where we go through and find out what you need, whether you really need a new website, what you need to do, and make recommendations that will apply. And if we work on a bigger project together, then you deduct this diagnostic call from your future service. So thanks again. When I work with you, we do not just consider websites technically. We look at the whole package of getting customers, engaging clients as they use your site, attracting clients, getting your message across, and most important, making the whole process simple, easy to use, working within your budget, and making it something that is a tool that helps you instead of something that becomes a money pit that drives you nuts. Thanks so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you on a future video and possibly a consultation. Thanks again.